if I was going to put it back together, naturally I'd be dealing with a new reshell, and I would have to take that apart. Okay, so again, making sure that I have the leader over here, I would wind as much on this here. Always keeping my eye on that brake device there. And as you can see, I have to
explain those little, you're threading it through some sort of transport.
Yeah, I'm trying because I need to get enough of tape looped around here to put that reel back in. And I think, now again, for me to reel this tape, make sure you have that tape tight. This would be dried and everything by this time. And then what you would do is you would take the top, open the top up like this, and sometimes this can be tricky here. Put it on top. Got it. And put the screws back in.
Now explain that a bit about people leaving the tape in the middle where there's a good thing.
Yes. Rule of thumb should be whenever you use a tape, you put it in the machine and play it. And if you stop it for any particular reason, before you take it out of the machine, you should always rewind it. Because if you stop it and say in the middle, tape comes out and you store it, and then you have a catastrophe, it's going to get damaged where information is, and it's going to make it much more difficult to maneuver the tape to get it out.